Do you love the sounds of blues and jazz and enjoy making your own music? Well, jump on your piano or turn on your keyboard and let's look at these 7 easy steps that you can achieve from your very first lesson. Hi, I'm Kylie. We love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire students to learn the love of music here in our music studios. Today, let's break down some blues steps that help you play some really cool bluesy sounds right from the beginning of your music journey. To play a fun bass pattern, we can find our C beside the 2 black keys and make a pattern with our 1 and our 5, stepping out to our 1 and our 6. This can be played in our left hand using our outside fingers, or play it hands together using any fingers you like. Watch that the bottom number 1 note stays the same, but that our top note steps in and out from 5 to 6 and back again. Our bottom note will start on C, which is our number 1, and we'll play the pattern for 4 counts, and then we'll repeat this pattern 4 times. For our step 2, we can move our hands to a new position to start our 12-bar blues pattern. After our counts on number 1, then we move up 4 notes to F, which becomes our new number 1, and then we play the pattern there for 4 counts, and we repeat that again. Once again, playing 1 and 5, stepping out to 1 and 6. Then we move back down the keyboard to our C, our number 1 again, and we play the pattern for 4 counts, which we then also repeat. So let's check that out. Next, move the pattern up to G, our number 5, for 4 counts only, with 1 and 5 out to 1 and 6. Following our G, we have a quick change back down to our F, our number 4, for 4 counts only. And a quick change again to our C, number 1, for 4 counts only. So remember, same pattern, in and out, only for 4 counts. Our last step is to hold the first G notes. We can just hold them totally, or we can say something like, love that blues. I just made that up. So holding or say something to help play that rhythm. Love that blues. This turns the whole 12-bar blues pattern around, ready to repeat right back from the start. So that's all you need to know. So let's go from the very start and put all of the patterns together of our C, our F, our C, quick G, quick F, quick C, and play that blues on the G to finish. Let's go from the top. Thanks for joining me today. If you're new here, then I'd love for you to subscribe. Look out for the next video, which will be some harder blues steps. If you're enjoying the content, then a thumbs up is the best compliment you can give. Thanks everyone, enjoy!